Hello again. This morning I was woken up by another message from Lord Skepton. Here, take a look.
Captain K. Here on Skepton, my scientists have determined that matter is the infinite first cause of the universe. So bend the knee to your master.
What he means is that the universe is finite. It had a beginning, and it's an effect of something else. And there must be an infinite cause to set the universe in motion. I agree with him so far, and I will prove it in due time. But he believes that the first cause of the universe was matter, and that it's the infinite source of all life. And matter is the physical substance of something. For instance, this table. It's made of wood. The wood is its matter. And of course that includes what it's made of on a molecular level as well. So, he believes that what things are made of, matter, is infinite. I've sent him my reply. Take a look. It appears that you didn't realize that something that changes cannot be infinite, and matter changes. Therefore matter cannot be infinite. My main point is that something that changes cannot be infinite. But to understand this, I need to take a moment to explain change. To put it simply, change is the end of a phase, and the beginning of another. For example, think of the way you've changed throughout your life. For you to become a teenager, your childhood phase has to end. And for you to become an adult, your teenage phase must end. And so on. So for any change to happen, a phase needs to end, and a new one needs to begin. Okay, now that we know what change is, let's go back to our main point, and that is, something that changes cannot be infinite. The reason for that being is that infinity contradicts change. Because if something is infinite, that means it's permanent and never-ending. And change, like we discussed before, means that something is temporary and discontinuous. And it's impossible for something to have contradicting attributes, to be permanent and temporary at the same time. To get a better understanding, look at this egg. If this egg was infinite, it must always stay an egg. But if it hatched into a chicken, that would mean that the egg no longer exists. And that contradicts the egg being infinite. Because now there is no egg at all. And don't think that the matter that makes up the egg is infinite. Because in reality there is not an egg and matter. The only thing that exists is the matter of the egg. And that ceases to exist once the chicken hatches. Oh yeah. Remember how I said that the universe is finite at the beginning of this video? Well, this same concept applies to everything that changes. Even the universe. So to conclude, something that changes is finite. And matter along with everything else in our universe changes. Therefore it's all finite. I would like to thank everyone who helped me fight off Lord Skepton by subscribing to the channel.